Hi everybody. So tonight I'm having a real simple meal. It's chicken Parmesan, and I don't fry the chicken or bread it. So let me move you on down and we'll get started. So the only thing that I'm doing ahead of time is I'm browning some chicken. I have done this before without browning the chicken and it comes out just fine. Browning it just gives it a little bit more flavor. And I'm adding to the bottom of my casserole dish just some old spaghetti sauce, whatever your favorite is. Kind of give it a little layer there. Got my chicken turned off, so I'm going to put in, I bought these chicken tenders this last weekend. There's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. I got them for $4.40. So I'm going to put just a layer in here. See if I can squeeze them all into one layer. I got them all in. That's closer. So I got my layer of spaghetti sauce or pizza sauce. It doesn't matter. It all kind of tastes the same. Got my slightly browned chicken in there, and all I did was season it with some onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper. Flipped it one time. Doesn't have to be cooked all the way through. And I've got a bag of mozzarella cheese. I buy the low moisture so it doesn't get so watery. And I've got a bag of shredded Parmesan. And I have used the shaker dry container. That works just as good too. So I'm going to put a little bit more sauce on here. This is so cheesy and so saucy. So let's see, the chicken was $4. Each one of these bags was under $2. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So less than $10 for this meal. And then this is some Parmesan cheese. And I'm going to add some more of the sauce. I could smooth it out, but it doesn't matter. And more mozzarella cheese. And this is one of those meals that freezes really well. Whatever's left over, put it in a nice container and label it, and we'll have a nice lunch. And just a little bit more Parmesan, because it is chicken Parmesan, so you want to really taste the Parmesan. Okay, so I put my oven at 325. I'll check it in about 20 minutes. If it looks like the top is getting a little brown too fast, I just throw a little bit of aluminum foil over the top of it. And we'll be back as soon as it comes out of the oven. Okay, got it out of the oven. I let it go for about 40 minutes. And, well, if you're short on time, just bump up the temperature a little bit. But look at this cheesy gooiness. This is one of those meals that kids absolutely love. My granddaughter will eat this. And it sets up, oh, it's so good. And if you think about it, because there's no breading, this is a really good gluten-free meal too. This is absolutely a comfort food to me. Some big old piece of garlic bread and a salad. Smells delicious. All right, well, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you later. Take care. Bye-bye.